Some heavy rain and gusty winds overnight. That rain will quickly clear to the east but slowly clear away from the south, leaving behind it bright spells, sunshine and some showers. But I'll have all the details in about 10 minutes. No, it's not at the moment anyway, Lou. Some of us have had some really heavy rain overnight and gusty winds as well. Now, the rain will clear east quite quickly this morning, but it will take its time to clear south. When it all moves away, though, we're looking at a day of bright spells, some sunny spells, but also a fair. That's one weather front. Here's the second one, slipping steadily southwards, but it won't clear till round about lunchtime, and there's a lot of murk ahead of it as well, but fairly mild temperatures in southern England, around about 14, 15 or 16. Now behind that there'll still be a lot of cloud in Wales and northern England. Northern Ireland seeing some showers, much of Scotland dry. You've had clear skies overnight, so a cooler start for you, and we still have those showers peppering the north and the west, and through the day some of those are likely to be heavy, potentially with the odd rumble of thunder. But you can see how behind the rain it brightens up. We hang on to a fair bit of cloud though across East Anglia. Temperatures today ranging from 10 in the north to 17 in the south. Now, through this evening and overnight, we'll have clear skies in southern areas, so it will be a colder night than the one just gone. We also have a new area of low pressure with its attendant fronts coming in from the northwest, introducing this rain, and then a packet of showers following on behind. Could be cold enough for some snow above about 700 metres or so in the Grampians. Friday sees that front take its rain down towards the south, and then into the weekend high pressure starts to edge in, but the wind direction changes to a cooler northerly by the time we get to Sunday, and there will still be a few showers knocking around. But I'll have a lot more detail in about half an hour. Lou and Charlie.
Carol, thanks very much. See you later on.
Thank you, Carol.
Good morning, Lou and Charlie. Good morning to you. We certainly do have a lot of rain this morning to start the day. But all that rain will clear. It will clear from the east quite quickly, and it will slowly clear from the south, probably by around early afternoon. And then we're looking at a mixture of bright spells, sunshine and showers. The satellite shows the amount of cloud associated with the rain that we have. And this is the second front, which is sinking south. But just to the north of that, look at all this speckled cloud. These are showers, and they are coming our way, and some of them will be heavy and potentially thundery. So this morning, this is where we've got the rain, again extending from the Isles of Scilly through Cornwall and Devon, through parts of the Midlands into East Anglia, and right behind that there's a lot of cloud and some showers. Clearer skies this morning are actually across Scotland, so it's a nippy start for you if you're just stepping out, but we still have those showers across the north and the west of Scotland, and they'll be on and off as we go through the day. So there goes the rain, eventually clearing, getting into the Channel Islands and then pushing off to the brighten up for many areas with some sunny, first some bright spells, meaning there'll be a bit more cloud around. But you can see the peppering of showers dashboarding the map, and temperatures 10 to about 17 degrees. So temperatures just a wee bit above average, especially in the south. Now, through this evening and overnight, there'll be clear skies in southern areas. It will be a colder night than the one just gone. But for Scotland, Northern Ireland and then Northern England and North Wales, a new weather front's coming our way, and that's introducing some rain. Behind it, it will be chilly as the skies clear. We could see some snow above about 700 metres in the Grampians, and a cooler night, as I mentioned, as we come further south again. Tomorrow we pick up that band of rain. It will continue its journey, pushing eventually towards the south, but we'll start here with some sunshine. Then behind it, we're back into that mixture of bright spells, sunshine and showers. Some of the showers will be heavy, potentially thundery in the west, and you can see too, we have quite a brisk wind. Temperatures 9 to about 15 degrees. Then it cools down as we head into the weekend. Look how the yellows are replaced by the blues. And the reason for that is because we start to pull in high pressure from the west, and the wind as a result veers from a northwesterly eventually to more of a northerly. That is a cooler direction for us. This time of year, the northwesterly is also a cool direction for us. It's not going to be bone dry, despite the fact that we are looking at high pressure coming in. On Saturday, there will be a few more showers around, particularly in the north and the east, but we could see some getting into Wales, for example, a few getting into Northern Ireland as well. But generally speaking, it's going to be drier than it certainly is today or was last night. Then on Sunday, we pull in that northerly breeze. It's not going to be particularly strong, but it is a cool direction. And for most, once again, it's going to be dry with some sunshine. The showers during the course of Sunday look like they're going to be across some eastern areas, but not all. If you're wondering about next week, we've got a front crossing us on Monday, bringing some rain, so the early part is changeable, but then it settles down, Lou and Charlie. In pushing quite quickly towards the North Sea, and another band pushing down towards the south coast. That will clear by lunchtime. Then for all of us, we're looking at a mixture of bright spells, sunshine and showers. I'll have more details in 10 minutes. Well, this morning, Charlie, is looking rather wet, but it will brighten up as we go through the course of the day. In fact, that's a forecast for most of us. We've had heavy rain overnight, gusty winds, the rain clearing the east quite quickly, clearing the south a bit more slowly, probably around lunchtime. And then we're looking at bright spells, meaning areas of cloud at times, sunny spells and some showers. So we take a look at that. You can see we've got the rain in the south, slowly moving south, and the rain in the north pushing eastwards. Quite a murky start, but it's very mild at the moment outside. We're looking at temperatures 16 or 17 degrees as you come south. The Midlands about 15 degrees. And you can see all the cloud behind that band of rain pushing north. Temperatures at the moment are 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, depending on where you are. And still a peppering of showers in the north and west of Scotland and Northern Ireland. But push further east, and we've got the sunshine. Now, as we go through the rest of the day, by lunchtime we'll lose this rain, and for many of us, this is what you can expect. Some sunshine, still a few showers in the north and the west, some of them getting into Wales and also Northern Ireland. A bit more cloud hanging around East Anglia for the afternoon. Temperatures 10 to about 17 degrees. Now, through this evening and overnight, clear skies in the south, so it's going to be a colder night here than last night. But we've got a new system bringing rain across Scotland, Northern Ireland, eventually by the end of the night into Northern England and North Wales, followed by a peppering of showers. Some clear skies. In fact, it'll be cold enough above about 700 metres in the Grampians, for example, to see a spot or two of snow. Then as we head through Friday, this front sinks south, and that leads us into a colder weekend. Charlie and Lou.
Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. It looks like there'll be some rain at Heathrow and also through Gloucestershire at that time of day. In fact, that rain slowly clearing away from the south, probably by around lunchtime, and then it will brighten up. Some of us seeing some sunny spells, but some of us still seeing some showers. Now, we've got two weather fronts. This one here producing a lot of rain, pushing into the North Sea, and this is the one that will affect Heathrow and Gloucestershire, continuing to move southwards. Behind it, look at the speckled clouds there. They're going to be producing all the showers. So quite quickly we lose the first band of rain into the North Sea, but here's the second one. Even by 9 o'clock, it still is mild. For Northern Ireland, Northern England, something brighter for you with just a few showers. Showers continuing to pepper the north and the west of Scotland, but drift further east and we're into brighter skies. It's been very windy overnight as well. Still gusty winds around the coasts and the hills, especially in the south through the day. So as that weather front clears, probably around lunchtime, behind it there will be a fair bit of sunshine, areas of clouds, so it'll be bright if you don't have the sunshine, and we've got those showers. Wherever you see greens and yellows, that's telling you that you can expect some heavy bursts and potentially thundery ones as well. Temperatures 10 in the north to 17 in the south. Now, through this evening and overnight, under clear skies, it will be a colder night than the one just gone in southern areas. A new weather front coming in across Scotland, Northern Ireland, then into Northern England and North Wales. By the end of the night, will bring in some rain. Cool, where we don't have the showers in Scotland in rural areas, and cooler, as I mentioned, than the night just gone in southern areas. So tomorrow we start off with some sunshine in the south, but the rain across Northern England, North Wales will continue to slowly push south. Areas of cloud, but once again we'll see some brighter skies, some sunshine coming through, but still a fair few showers, some of them still heavy and also thundery. Temperatures are lower tomorrow, so it's going to feel cooler, 9 in the north to 15 in the south. Now that cooling trend continues into the weekend. Look at the milder yellows being replaced by the blues coming in from the north, and that's because we've got high pressure building in from the west. The wind veers from a northwesterly to a northerly eventually, and although with high pressure things settle down, there will still be some showers, more especially on Saturday, but still a few on Sunday. So on Saturday, a lot of us will have a dry day, a cold day, and we'll also see some sunshine, showers in the north and the east, but a few getting into some central areas as well. On Sunday, again, a lot of dry weather around and a few showers in the east, but feeling cold in that northerly. Charlie and Lou.
Oh, brr. Thank you so much, Carol.
Good morning. Oh, poor Charlie, bless him. Good morning, everybody. It's not a bad start to the day for some parts of the country, but for others, we've had some torrential rain and some strong winds as we've gone through the early part of the day. But that rain will clear, and then for many of us, we'll enjoy some sunshine. There'll also be some showers. Low pressure has been driving our weather. With its attendant fronts, there are two of them. That's why we've had all the rain. And the isobar is telling you, particularly in the south, that we still are going to have some gusty winds on coast and hills through the course of the morning. You can see the amount of rainfall we have had. There'll be a lot of surface water and spray on the roads as our first band clears into the North Sea. And then the second band slowly pushes south, eventually clearing southern counties of England, getting into the Channel Islands just after lunch. So most of southern England away from the Channel Islands having some dry weather this afternoon. There'll be some sunshine around. Areas of cloud at times, for example, through East Anglia, through Lincolnshire, could produce the odd shower. Odd shower getting into Wales, into Northern England, Northern Ireland, and more potent ones in Northern and Western Scotland, where some of those could not just be heavy, but you may also hear the odd rumble of thunder. Temperatures 10 to about 17 or 18 as we sweep further south. Now, through this evening and overnight, under clear skies, it's going to be a colder night in southern areas than the night just gone. And a band of rain will come in across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, and eventually North Wales through the night. We could see some snow above 700 metres in the Grampians, and there'll be a peppering of showers under those clear skies in rural areas. It will feel cold. So tomorrow, a dry start in southern areas, but then this band of rain sinks southwards through the course of the day. Behind that, we're back into this dizzy cocktail of bright spells, sunshine and showers. And again, some of those showers could indeed be heavy. Temperatures by then, 9 to 15 degrees, so feeling cooler. Charlie and Lou.
Carol,
Yes, it is. There's a lot of rain, Charlie. I've just had a text from my friend Greg, who's worked for British Airways all his career until recently. He too is crying his eyes out at the moment. But the rain will eventually clear. It's cleared parts of Wales already. You can see in Wrexham, beautiful picture here from one of our weather watchers. But it will take its time before it clears southern parts of England. Making good progress into the North Sea, so it will clear eastern areas first of all. And then behind it all, we're looking at sunshine and showers. Now you can see all the cloud associated with that rain, and it extends back into the Atlantic. I want to draw your attention to the speckled cloud here, because those are showers and they're coming our way. This is the low pressure bringing the rain. The first front goes through. This is the second front that's affecting Heathrow at the moment. So there's a lot of water, a lot of surface water around this morning. Big puddles. If you're travelling, do bear that in mind. You can see the track the rain has been taking through the early part of today. And just slowly, it will push southwards, getting into the Channel Islands. Behind it, there will be some residual cloud. The skies will brighten. We'll see some sunny spells or bright spells, meaning at times there will be lengthy lumps of cloud, for example, in East Anglia this afternoon. So a damp afternoon in the Channel Islands, brightening up in Devon and Cornwall through the Midlands, Wales, heading up into Northern England with just one or two showers dotted here and there. Some showers also across parts of Northern Ireland, Northern and Western Scotland, and some of those could be sharp with the odd rumble of thunder, particularly in the north and west of Scotland. Temperatures 10 to about 17 or 18 degrees. Now through this evening and overnight, in the south, once again, we've got clear skies, so it's going to be a colder night than the one that has just gone. And then a new weather front comes in across Scotland, Northern Ireland, eventually into Northern England and North Wales. And behind it, a peppering of showers. These temperatures indicate what you can expect in towns and cities. They'll be lower than that in rural areas. So tomorrow, we've got that weather front continuing its journey, sinking southwards, a northwesterly breeze which is going to blow in a good packet of showers. So after a dry start in southern areas, the cloud builds and the rain comes south. And then in come all the showers hot on its heels. But again, in between them, there'll be bright skies or indeed some sunny spells. But it will feel cooler tomorrow, temperatures 10 to 15 degrees, so a bit lower anyway. Then on Saturday, we still have that northwesterly wind, and it still will blow in these showers in the north, coming down the Irish Sea, getting inland, and also down some eastern areas as well. And it will feel cool in that wind. We're looking at 9 to about 12 degrees. And then as we head into Sunday, well, high pressure is still very much in charge of our weather, and it topples over us a bit more. So the wind becomes more of a northerly direction. That's a cold direction for us. But we'll see fewer showers. The likelihood of showers on Sunday is going to be in some eastern parts of the country. For the rest of us, it should be dry, but it will feel cold in that wind. Monday sees a front sinking southwards, taking some rain with it. So the weather at the start of the week is changeable, but we're going to hang on to high pressure, it looks like, as we go through next week. So it should be a drier week than this one has been, Charlie and Lou. And I'm eating my peas.
No, do you use that before in relation to the weather? Is that a regular weather phrase?
Well,
Is it a regular
it's a
one?
change. Peppering, flirting, developing, it's all the same, Charlie.
Wow.
It's just a different way of describing it to add a touch of variety.
Oh, Carol, you're just brilliant. Thank you.
Thank you.